In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color and edit text in PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro and give it a second to load. When you're ready, look for the option to edit. In most layouts, you'll see an Edit or Edit PDF tool in the toolbar or the right-hand panel. Click that to switch the document into editing mode. You'll notice guides and bounding boxes appear as Acrobat identifies text and objects it can modify. That's your sign you're in the right place. Next, highlight the text you want to change. Simply drag your cursor across the words you want to update. If the text is truly editable, you'll be able to type to replace words, adjust fonts, or tweak size and spacing right there. If you try to highlight and nothing selects, the text might actually be part of an image or a scanned page. In that case, Acrobat may prompt you to recognize text so it becomes selectable. Once the text is highlightable, you're set to make precise edits without altering the rest of the layout. If Acrobat treats what you selected as an image instead of live text, you'll have the option to work with it as an image. At that point, you can choose a format such as JPEG or TIFF when saving or exporting that element. JPEG is great for smaller files and quick sharing, while TIFF is preferred when you want maximum quality and less compression. This is useful if you plan to adjust that graphic or embedded text in an external editor and bring it back into your PDF afterward. To change color directly in Acrobat, look to the side panel while your text or object is selected. Click the current color swatch, then pick the new color you want to apply. You'll see a palette and often a more detailed picker. Choose something that matches your brand or simply improves readability. If you're updating multiple pieces of text, keep them selected together so the color change applies consistently. Make sure the new color contrasts well with the background so it's easy to read, especially if the document will be printed. Before you finish, scan through the page to confirm spacing, and line breaks still look clean after your edits. When everything looks good, save your PDF. Consider saving a copy so you always have the original version to reference later. That's it. Click Edit, highlight the text, choose JPEG or TIFF when working with images, and use the color picker to apply a new hue.